puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never.
Hey you guys, so today I have a human virgin hair for you guys. This is from AliExpress. The company is called BEAFAY. I believe I'll leave the company name right here. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the hair. This is their 24-inch water wave texture. It's their lace frontal unit. So I did add a little bit of my foundation in here. I didn't bleach the knots. And it does have tracks in the back. It's just a frontal unit. And it is in 24 inches. It looks like it has some layers, but not a whole lot. I'll probably go in and add some more. So let's go ahead and pop her on.
Another nigga, I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar.
So I'm not really in the mood to do a whole lot of got to be glued and things like that. Actually the unit is laying down really, really nicely without any got to be glued, honestly. It's kind of looking like really perfect, which is crazy that it looks this good without any work, or really without trying too hard. Like, it looks really, really good. This unit is really, really pretty. This curl pattern is gorgeous. This is their water wave pattern. Wow. Water wave is like one of my favorite textures. I just love it. It looks so pretty. This unit is bomb, straight out the pack. Actually, not straight out the pack. I did customize. No, I didn't. I was about to say I did customize the front, but I didn't. I seriously did not customize the front of this wig. I was going to say I plucked the baby hairs, but I didn't, honestly. I definitely did not. This wig is really, really pretty. Now the true test will be once you wash the unit and let it air dry, how it comes back. Will these waves pop back or will they be gone? I was gonna layer this hair, but this hair is kind of perfect. Like straight out the pack, kind of perfect. Let's see what happens if we do lay some of the baby hairs a little bit. Just to see, just a couple. I'm not gonna lay everything down. I'm just curious, cause it's so fire right now. It honestly doesn't even need it.
Now you dey mash up the place, enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy?
Honestly, I kind of think it looked better without the baby hairs before. Sometimes we start doing too much and just making it look worse. I honestly think it looked better before.
Say she give me pommy, yeah. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bad.
So this is the unit. Let me zoom my camera out so you can see all the hair in her. So this is the hair. It's pretty flipped to the side, and it was pretty just going to the back too. It's pretty both ways. Let me turn around so you can see the hair from the back.
Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me film one. My one, say she give me for me, y'all sit enter.
Yeah, so this is the hair. It's really, really pretty. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Links to this hair and this company will be in the information bar down below. And yeah, definitely go check them out, because I would say this unit is one that pretty much slays straight out the pack, you guys. I didn't do anything to this hair. This hair just came like this, and it's really, really pretty. Customer service was a breeze. I really didn't have to go back and forth too much with this company, and shipping was fast as well. So I really don't have any complaints, honestly. Really, this is just a first impressions. I have to wear the hair a little bit more to see how it goes, but I think this hair is really pretty. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the post notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Yeah, what else? Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Like my like page on Facebook is JessTheDragoness. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Now you dey mash up the place, enter the radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.